Lifepursue is a professional furniture supplier who balance best quality with economic price. In our factory, there are over 2,000 square meters workshop, highly automated processing machine, clean storage condition. Location in the largest furniture material distributing center Logjuan, we can guarantee fast lead time, high standard quality. Our products table base, tabletop, whole table sets, seating, patio furnitures widely used for interior and outdoor hospitality venues, such as hotel, bistro, restaurant, resort, ceremony, and etc. We have exported more than 10 years all over the world with our profession and strength. 1. Factory direct wholesale price with reliable quality. 2. Quick response and smooth communication. 3. Punctual lead time and high quality. 4. Strict implementation of manufacturing standards. 5. Advanced automatic intensive processing machines. 6. Clean material and product storage condition. 7. Collaborated designing, R&D, producing and selling all together. Lifepursue is thankful for our clients' choice. In return, we are motivated to return our endeavors to make growth altogether. Any problems or requests are highly welcome, and we are keen to provide our professional advice within 24 hours.